So the trip has begun. First dry place we've had a chance to actually turn the camera on. But we're in Manning Park, and we'll be heading east towards Alberta and up. Where are we gonna go, Glen? Where's our first night stop?
Rock Creek.
Rock Creek. We'll be there. Now, Mr. Glen, where are we at?
Osseosas.
Soyuz.
Oh, it's Soyuz. Yes.
Soyuz.
Yeah.
Usuyus.
I don't know how it's called.
Pretty place, though.
Yes.
I always like this viewpoint. There's our host Larry. He's firing up the grill.
Need a fire extinguisher.
We're about to have a look inside Larry's garage. What's in there? So what do we have here? What's behind you here?
Well, a couple of motorcycles.
One or two?
Yeah.
What do you got? Just give a point here. What's this one here?
The first one.
Blue one? Give me the blue one here, the Honda.
Honda 1965 Honda 65cc.
Yeah. And then we have the Kawasaki triple.
Yeah. 72 250 triple. And a
1000.
900 Kawasaki. 250 two-stroke Yamaha. Honda Shadow in the back corner.
40 years we've known this guy. 40 years.
Yeah.
When you were just in diapers.
Picture of this.
Just outside of Greenwood, up the hill on Phoenix Road by the old cemetery. And we're gonna go cross country and take a shortcut back to Highway 3.
Hold on, guys. Paintings, cards, sculptures. Thank you to the Mother Kelly and the Barista. Thank you to Tucker for another idea. You've heard of the dog property law.
Kootenay Ferry, Balfour. How's it going, Glenn? How was your day today?
Well, good, but here we're on this old ferry. South with a new one, and this one has no coffee. I haven't had a coffee now for, about an hour. Along here, through Grand Forks, Castlegar, up to Falcon, Winlock, where we had a nice lunch. It's a nice young lady with one of them things in her lip. Spokane, up here, New Denver, Sandon, Caslow, Ainsworth, and Balfour.
Riders Ranch. Motorcycle campground, bed, breakfast. Yeah. Hammer down at Riders Ranch. Where are the owners?
Well, here we are at the Riders Ranch. Glen and I showed up and nobody at the office, no one around. We're the only ones here, but it's a campground that caters to motorcycles, so the sign says. But we're the only ones here. Hopefully, I'm sure the owners will come back from their Canada Day festivities and charge us accordingly.
Oh, never mind that. We're staying here.
Here we are at the Riders Ranch. Bikers only, see? Friendly people though. But, sorry, no RVs or cars. Isn't that wonderful? Only 2 wheels. Because, you know, cars, 4 wheels got heart, 2 wheels got soul, man.
I mean, seriously, we got the money.
I know, but the thing is...
Hi, I'm the host of the Riders Ranch in Kitchener, BC, just out of Creston, BC, between Creston, BC and Cranbrook, BC, in southern BC, half an hour from the border of Idaho. And our place is Riders Ranch, a motorcycle dedicated campground to all motorcyclists and all groups.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. You have a nice place.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And Glen's getting set up for the night.
Hey. Better than going, whoo, 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 whoo. Oh, that's good. Thank you.
Nice, soft, gushy mattress.
Well, good morning everybody. It's second morning. We're in Kitchener, BC, just striking camp. Had a nice night's sleep. Stars were out last night. And today we hit the Alberta border. There's our host recommended a restaurant across the street that's got good home cooked meals, so we think we're gonna go and do that. Right, Glen? Right.
It is really windy here, and we're in Kananaskis country. Heading towards Canmore. Just have about 100 kilometers of gravel on this road. Heading into Canmore from the south, from Highway 3.
Can't see you, we're at Cataract Creek.
Hey Glen, how you doing?
Good, good.
Where are we? Talk to me.
Cataract Creek, right here. Just come up from Coleman, Alberta, Bravo Road.
Draw your finger all the way up there.
High speed. Lester started off at 60, by here he's doing 70. Now he's doing 80, hitting 90 every once in a while. Just like Steve McQueen. And there we are at Cataract Creek. Pretty soon, end of gravel, then pavement, go, 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 yay, yay, yay. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I'll have to switch bikes, I think.
Here we are at Shea McLean, Calgary. Cleaning up, bagging up, getting ready to go. Lots to do. Morning, John.
Good Morning, Les.
How you doing?
Groovy.
What do you think of these two crazy guys here that are getting on bikes and going to crazy parts of the world?
I think they're out of their mind, but then I thought that for years, so it's nothing new.
Nothing new for us, huh?
No.
I don't know, just hanging around waiting for Lester.
Hey, where are we now?
I don't know. Calgary.
We're in Shepherd.
Are we? That's all Calgary to me, sorry.
I think it's great. I think it's good. I think it's good.
We'll tell you all about the back roads of your own province.
Yeah, to do.
Well, Glenn, this is where our adventure really begins. How was the road up to here? All these RVs. Pretty crazy, huh?
Dusty, 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 dusty.
Dusty, gigantic RVs coming down the road.
Yeah. Hundreds of them.
Hundreds of them
Here in Alberta.
coming home from their long weekend. Night number 2, Ram Falls, Alberta. About 60 kilometers from Nordegg. What's for supper?
Cock
Cock soup.
soup. I was gonna say brick soup, but no, cock soup.
Cock soup and
And entree set 2, lasagna et postas et la vianda.
lasagna and meat sauce.
Hey, meat sauce.
Prepared by Chef Glen.
And for dessert, he's having
This is Ram Falls.
Glen's chilling. Chilling at Ram Falls.
Okay, it's morning number 4. Morning number 4. Cold night last night, about 40 degrees. A little nippy, a little cold. A couple of cups of hot coffee, some porridge.
Very cold. Very cold. Where was my wife when I needed her? Man, oh man, oh man.
North Saskatchewan River, 11 miles from the David Thompson Highway out of Nordegg. My mouth's full of beef jerky right now. Well, we're here in Nordegg and have a little guest here. Hello. Hello. What's your name? What's your name? Hello. Is it okay? Oh my. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Go get him. just west of Hinton, Alberta. Probably the second to last night. Camping out.
Sadie, where do you live? Where's your house? Oh, it's over here. Underneath all the antlers. Chase Creek Cattle Company, home to Mick and Kate. There he is, standing guard.
This is the monitor we used in the Yukon for washing down banks for placer mining. These things would have about 150 pounds pressure. They neck down 36 inches down to 14 inches at the end of the cannon and right down to about 4 inches at the end of the cannon. They would shoot for like 300-400 yards and wash down mountainsides. And then the wash down came through the sluice boxes, and that was part of the placer mining in those days. But it's long gone now. That's in the old days, that was the roar of the Yukon was the sound of those cannons, just 24 hours a day, washing down mountains and running them into the sluice boxes. But not a Harley, but it's a Cyclops, so it's close, but not a Harley. Bought it for me. She was so excited at Christmas time. She goes, you won't believe what I got for you. I got a Humvee that's remote controlled. My favorite toy.
Every house should have one.
Everybody should have it.
Oh. How did you find this thing?
I actually stole it. Pretty sweet rig, huh?
Yeah.
Obviously coming from the States.
I'll just back it out of here. She fires up.
He leased it to a movie company and they repainted it for us. See what Glen made on the roof?
So Mickey, what is this? Tell me about this. What is this vehicle here?
This is a...
Turn, look at me. Tell me. Talk to me.
This is a authentic Humvee. It's got a dealer collector plate on it.
Talk to me. Turn this way.
Totally authentic. It's the kind of a one of a kind. It's our fun vehicle.
Right. Look over here.
Yeah. Yeah. It's our Humvee. It's our,
Perfect.
It's our estate vehicle.
I see. Just getting around the acres.
Yeah, just for...
The neighbors know when you're coming.
Yeah, and yeah.
Every house should have one.
Yeah. This is a off-road jacket.
Yeah, right. Little flak jacket, Mick?
Yeah, flak jacket.
We got you 30-30 and let me try it.
There you
Just
go.
hang on to this, but don't throw it anywhere.
just in case, you know. What do you usually
Yeah, they clip on.
hang on there somewhere to the
Bunch of
bunch
stuff. There's a whole bunch of full uniform in the house there. You want to put it on?
No.
Got the whole...
No. There is
So all movie props, right?
Yeah. I bought this MacGyver or George Patton Jeep too. You haven't seen that yet, Glen?
What year is it?
1947.
47.
That started real well.
Glen and I hang out.
How long you guys known each other?
40 years.
Hey, you can't say on TV.
40 years. Yeah. 40 years.
40 years.
Yeah.
40 years.
Oh yeah. He's our little friendly neighbor coyote. How you doing, fellas? Yeah.
This is their home.
Kids used to freak out when they saw that.
Why?
My young kids, guy looked so much like you.
Majority still talks about the time you only have to
Check this piece out. Let's feel the weight of this, Les. Go ahead, just put your head in there.
Oh yeah, that's not bad.
Water.
Yeah, that's cool. Oh.
Just watch your hand. Oh, Jesus.
Looking good, Glenn. It's an improvement, actually.
What's that?
Hey,
man.
this is a piece of armor. That.
Don't fool around.
Close
Or
it.
I'm gonna come at you.
So what's the story behind that?
Oh, this is comes from.
Man, that's-
It's a costume piece, though, right?
No, this is
That
this
thing
is
is heavy.
came from my grandfather. It was
But from where?
from Scotland. 600. What was that piece of armor that apparently one of my ancestors wore. It said it was the
Oh, you're
most ferocious man.
Scottish.
Yeah.
Well, that explains
Scots,
everything.
Scots, most ferocious man on the battlefield. They said when he.
Rice also Jack.
So what you got in that corner?
Oh, just a few hand-me-downs, just some old guns that. All registered, of course.
Country living.
Country living, yeah. There's always a. I should always have a few.
You a Republican?
Oh, it's an old fire extinguisher. When it overheats, there's a little strip that breaks loose, and this spring-loaded apparatus smashes this ball. At the same time, it lets off an explosion that wakes you up, and then this fluid supposedly falls down on the fire. And
As long as the fire's underneath the fluid.
yeah, or you can actually hold it like this, break the tip off, and spray it on a fire. So these were one of the first fire extinguishers that we used to, I guess as a preventative, probably in the 30s, I guess, or something.
Where are we going now?
Got shirts. '82 Harley FLTs. It's got the shovel head engine, 5-speed transmission, rubber mounted engine. It's one of the old classics. Actually came originally with a trailer, but just kind of restoring it now to.
Hey, pistons and cylinders. Figure it out. It's a pump. And it's one of the things, you know, you see this thing going out in the field, spewing out liquid manure. That's what this is, except it's made out of wood. Here we are, in the sauna. Little red hot stove down in there. Down here, out there all covered in sweat. And then we go down and jump in the creek. So this is an original barn that had cows and horses in it in the 50s and 60s, and Mickey bought it in the early 70s sometime. His first wife Linda and they raised 2 kids in this place. No electricity, no running water. Mickey wanted to be 1880. Oh, hey.